Hi everyone, Jaco here, and in today's video I'm going to share some teaching ideas for integrating language development in PE classes. So first of all, the objectives of the activities that I'm going to introduce next are both content and language objectives. We want the students to develop body and social skills together with using new vocabulary to support their dialogue with partners. So for the content objectives, students will be able to develop locomotor and non-locomotor skills, such as running and throwing, participate in relay races and competitive games, and work with partners in teams and group settings. As for the language objectives, students will be able to use new key vocabulary to discuss personal thoughts and ideas, express an opinion using forms like I believe that, blah blah blah, because, and create sentences using sight words. So here is how to play a game called Word Race. There will be printed words scattered all around the gym area, and the class will be split into 2 or more teams depending on the number of students. Students will then run to find single or multiple words and bring them back to their teams. After each round, students will discuss the meaning of each word or create sentences with one or more words. I will now introduce this game by following a few teaching steps, or what I like to call builds. So to start off, in build number 1, we have the basic setting of this game with 4 teams at the 4 corners of the gym and all words at the middle. When the teacher calls out a word, for example, balance, the first student getting that word back will give the point to his team. After that, all teams will be given a couple of minutes to reflect on the word balance and discuss the meaning of that word. In build number 2, the game setting is exactly the same, but this time, whatever word called out by the teacher will be now used to create a sentence. So the first team getting that word back will still have 1 point, but after that, all teams are required to create a sentence using the word defense. Here are 4 examples of sentences created with the word defense. 1. We use defense in a basketball match. 2. Defense prevents the attacking team from scoring. 3. Playing defense is when we don't have the ball. 4. Defense is a sport tactic. Finally, in build number 3, the teacher will now say the number of words required to create a sentence. The students here are now free to choose their own words, and the point goes to the first team creating a sentence using those words. Here is an example of a sentence created with the words calisthenics, strength, and fitness. Calisthenics exercises are used in strength training to improve our fitness. To introduce more variations and work on different skills, the same game can be played with a different setting. So here, the words are displayed as targets on the wall, and the students need to hit the words and then use them to create new sentences. Students here can use balls or other pieces of equipment and also work on their throwing and aiming skills. Here are 3 examples of sentences using the words Olympics, core, and teamwork. Olympics are held every 4 years. Core muscles are important for a better balance and stability. Teamwork teaches essential communication and social skills. So these were a couple of activities that can be used in PE classes to support language development. Thank you so much for your listening, and I'll see you all next time. Bye-bye.